In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and search for certain keywords in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and then select the Home tab at the top. Select Find over here on the right. You can also tap Control F on your keyboard to open that up. And then you can type in whatever you want to look for and then select Find Next, and then hopefully be able to identify it at that point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.